So we just arrived in Mont Saint Marie at one of our residential houses. The house is about 4,500 square feet. It's built out of our standard MCH wall system, which is CLT, wood fireboard, and certified passive house windows. There's one caveat, is we use an industrial grade on the CLT because the client chose to drywall the interior face of that CLT. So today we're going to highlight the large patio door installation. So once we installed all of our walls and our floor panels, we actually craned all the door components into the house before we put the roof on. That way we could assemble it on site and then install it into place. So the door dimensions, it's 33 feet long and 10 feet tall. So the assembly of this door, we first started with the frame. We built that on the ground, and there we attached each fixed pane on either end into the frame. From there, we tilt it up into place, and then we attach it into the opening. After that, we can then install each sliding door. So these sliding doors, they're called lift and slides. It has two functions. One, when you turn this handle 180 degrees, it actually lifts the entire door up onto rollers, which then allows you to slide it with a little ease. This is about a 600-pound door. And second, when you drop it off the rollers, it then seats the entire door onto gaskets, creating an airtight seal. So the door has two fixed panels on each end and two sliders in the middle. And when you open it up fully, you have an 18-foot wide opening onto this deck overlooking these beautiful panoramic views.